Donna here from the Ocean County Library with another great take and make for March. Starting on March 1st at the Little Lake Harbor branch, you can come in and pick up this take and make. Inside it, we'll have Women's History Month, paper dolls of Susan B. Anthony and Amelia Bloomer, as well as a bingo board with pictures and information about women that was found on Explorer database for kids. Come on into the library and enjoy Women's History Month. Thank you. Hi, my name is Miss Donna and I'm a children's librarian at the Ocean County Library. And pretty soon in March we'll be celebrating Women's History Month. That's very exciting. At the library we have a lot of information about women's history. This book in particular, about Susan B. Anthony by National Geographic for Kids, is laid out like a magazine and is for beginning readers. If you'd like to find out who Susan B. Anthony was and see some real photographs and illustrations from her time, you can check it out in this book. This book is about Mae Jemison. She was a famous astronaut, and the book explains all of the interesting things that she did with her life. If you'd like to find out all about her life and the things that she accomplished, you can read it in this book by Jill Wheeler. All of these books are available at the Ocean County Library. Do you have a pet lizard? Joan Proctor, the dragon doctor, used to have pet lizards, and she studied them a long time ago. She was a famous woman scientist. If you want to find out in this picture book all about her life and the lizards that she studied, you can find it out at the Ocean County Library and check out this book.
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.